next question on the board. Question about the weekly parsha. I wonder why Rachel had such an interest in Dudiim. Surely she knew a child can only come from Hashem's blessing. So even if Dudiim is something good for marital relationship, why would she trade, so to speak, time with Yaakov with a flower?
So it is true. So everything comes from Hashem, but it's all we still have to do our Hishtadlus. Hishtadlus is our shrine. So in shrine, something like whatever is in your power. So if somebody is childless, so they of course they have to go to Rabbi, they have to pray this and that, but in the same time you're obligated to go to a doctor and see maybe doctor can help. Okay, but the doctor can help only if Hashem decided to, right? But at least if Hashem decided to, it's going to be look natural in double quotes, of course. You understand? So it's meaning that it's still a miracle, but hidden miracle, because we're not Avraham Avinu, Sarah Imeinu, that she can get pregnant in the 90s, right? So that's understandable. So that's the answer. We have to do our Hishtadlus. If there is such a herb exists that can help you with whatever you do, that's what you do. So if you're sick, you need to take medicine, you take medicine. And there are some crazy people. They say we're not going to go to doctors, right? Because we trust in Hashem. And it was a big issue before Corona, maybe 7 years ago. I don't know, like 6-7 years ago, in Israel and here in the States also. That this kind of parents, they did not want to give children shot. I don't remember what was the shot. What was the? I do not remember. But they say because why? Because they can get some like side effects, this and that. But then they calculate the side effects. People, of course, there were advocates on both sides. But the argument of the parents who did not want the children to get the shot, right? Because we rely on Hashem. Whatever Hashem sends is good. If he decided to kill my child, so he's going to decide to kill my child. If he decided that my child is going to live, the child is going to live. But guess what? But other parents also send their children in the same class. And they don't want their children to get sick from you children. You understand? So it's also conflict of Hashkafas, right? So in proper way, of course, they went to Rabbi Sternbach, Shlita, right? Moshe Sternbach, so the biggest rabbi right now in the world. And he said, based on he consulted with scientists, with doctors, they gave him all of the data. So based on the science, he said, yeah, you have to take the shot, because the probability of people get like the side effects is tiny compared to the danger. Right, and I don't remember what some people did. Of course, some people are still their own rabbis who they don't never going to listen to anybody, of course. But our way is to do Hishtadlus. I need to go to a doctor. I need to do like Hishtadlus. So, for example, I was sick all of this time, still a little sick. So I didn't take this medicine whatever people take. So I took the herbal medicine, right? This like immune boosting like pills, right? Vitamins and stuff like that. That's it. So, but still, it's like I did not drink like cold water and think, no, I'm going to get better. No, it was not. I was doing what I need to do. Sleep a little more, this, honey, all of these things. Understand? So that's why we call it Hishtadlus. So she knows, Rachel knows about this Dudaim, so she took it. The thing is that she was punished for the language that she used. So she said, instead of this, Dudaim, let my husband lay with you tonight. That was very, very inappropriate language to talk about tzaddik, right? That he's been intimate with his wife. It's like Kneading, right? It's Kodesh HaKodeshim. So she should not have say it. And as they say, as a punishment, she did not lay with him in Machpelah, right? I mean, she was buried somebody else, but of course punishment. But we know that her being in that buried in that place, it's like a huge deal for the Jewish people until today. You understand? So when we were going to the Babylonians, so it was planned. So to say that she was punished, yes, she was punished, but because of this. But it turned out like she's the holiest of the holiest, Mother Rachel. Okay. So many things like stories you cannot judge on the cover. You have to go deep inside and see what exactly happened. Okay. Go ahead. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.